Tired of wasting time on inconsistent Revit views? Learn how to apply and manage view templates to get clean, professional results in seconds. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more Revit tutorials designed to simplify your workflows. Today we're diving into view templates, a powerful tool in Revit that standardizes your project views effortlessly. Whether it's managing visibility, setting scales, or locking view properties, templates are key to maintaining consistency across your project. Before we get started, drop a comment below. Have you tried using view templates in Revit? Stick around because I'll share some pro tips to save your hours of frustration. Picture this. You're working with floor plans, sections, and elevations, but none of the views match your office standards. Absolute chaos. But here's the solution. By applying view templates, you can control properties like visibility settings, view scale, and graphic display options with just a few clicks. To apply a template, open up the view from the project browser, go to the View tab, and go to the View Templates, and choose to apply properties to current view. Then select the view template that you want to choose, hit OK. This instantly applies the settings without locking them, so you can still make changes later. But what if you want to ensure that every change to your template automatically updates your views? That's where assigning a view template comes in. By linking the view to a template, any adjustments you make to the template will reflect across all assigned views. Simply go to the properties, click on View Template, and Assigned a Template. This locks the view's properties, keeping them consistent across your project. Now, let's go a step further. Want to apply templates across multiple views at once? In Revit, you can select multiple views in the project browser and apply templates simultaneously to save even more time. This is a huge time saver, especially on large projects. You can also apply a view template to all views on a sheet. This is perfect for maintaining consistency in documentation sets. If you found any of these tips helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving Revit tips. Plus, let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge with Revit templates, and I'll be sure to try to cover it in an upcoming video. Before you go, here's a bonus tip. You can create custom view templates based on any project view. Just right-click the view and select Create View Template from View. This ensures your custom settings are available for future projects.